I'm Santosh. I live in Singapore. I run a tech startup. I got on the Live Alt Life program in Feb of 2023. I initially took their light program, and then when I was in Bangalore, I also got on the program where they delivered food to my office and my home. In just 2 months of the program, I lost around 9 kgs. I also had improved sleep quality, improved energy levels, and then I immediately started seeing my sugar levels come down. And by 4 months, my H1A1C was down from 5.9 to 5.1. I've been able to maintain it, and all my parameters have been normal, but I continue to follow all the ways of eating, the kind of foods that they've recommended to eat, because it works brilliantly for me.